We are now at the Coimbatore-Chittoor Highway in front of Ahalya Health and Heritage Knowledge Village. This is the largest campus in Kerala, which hosts 12 educational institutions, 4 hospitals, museums, and so many parks and many other facilities. Now, from the gate, we are on the way to Ahalya School of Engineering and Technology. On the way, we have got hospitals, staff quarters, and many other entities. These are the roads leading up to Ahalya School of Engineering and Technology. This is a water conservation lake. We have such 10 lakes on campus with the storage capacity of 2000 lakh liters rainwater, which is more than sufficient for 2 years' use in the campus. This is the greenest campus in Kerala. Also, this is a self-sustainable campus. The campus was a barren land 25 years back, and it was converted into the campus that we are seeing now to this day. These are the roads leading to Engineering College from the main gate. We have got to travel approximately 3 kilometers from the main gate to reach the Engineering College. This is the Ahalya Diabetes Hospital, and we also have internal bus shuttle service for use by inmates, students, staff and patients, and other private buses and state government transport buses are also operating at this campus. These are the quarters which we are seeing. These are the old quarters. We have 2 sets of quarters, old and new. In the old quarters, the accommodation is twin story. In new quarters, we have got 4 quarters combined together. We have got windmills with the capacity of 8400 kilowatt generation. Now we have our Ahalya Eye Hospital, the front view of the hospital. These are all the roads leading up to our engineering college, and here this is our solar plant with the capacity of 1500 kilowatt, thus totaling to 9900 kilowatt electricity production. This is the Ahalya School of Paramedical Sciences, Ahalya Women and Children's Hospital. And from here, we are going straight to the engineering college. This is our very own sculpture park. It's one of a kind in South India, where many stone sculptures are displayed. This is one of the lakes that was mentioned earlier. Now we are entering to our main campus. On the way near to our engineering college, we have IIT campus, Pharmacy College and Canara Bank. This is the front view of our main campus. In addition to this, 2 more buildings are under construction. This is the main lounge area of the main campus. Here we have our language lab, administrative office, vision and mission is displayed. This is the principal room. All the official meetings are taking place here. This is is the examination control room where the question papers and answer papers are stored. This is the boardroom, a fire extinguisher, the automatic bell system, and here is the boardroom right next to our principal chamber. We have toilet facilities for both boys and girls, and we also have toilet facility for the disabled on the ground floor. This is our examination cell. The main campus is divided into 3 blocks, one central block and 2 side blocks. This is the recess in between. This leads up to the chemistry lab. Now we are entering into the chemistry lab. We have all the necessary equipments in the lab. It's mostly used by first year students. Eye wash with shower. This is the chemical store. We also have a BOD incubator, digital photocalorimeter, and digital pH meter, digital turbidity meter. We have our simulation lab next to chemistry lab, electric machines lab. We have our electric machines lab. The equipment list of each lab is displayed outside the labs. These are all the necessary equipments to be used by the students. First aid kits. This is the simulation lab. Now we are entering into the electrical measurement and power electronics lab. We also have an innovation lab where students are encouraged to set up their own startups. Power and control systems lab. Control systems lab. Faculty in charge name is also mentioned in the board that is kept outside. This is the lift system. This is the canteen dining area, water filters and common washing area. This is also the part of canteen where staff and students come and have their lunch. Toilet for boys. We have tutorial rooms, lecture rooms, and all together it's 20 in number. All the classes are equipped with LCD projectors and screens. This is the Vice Principal chamber. Computing lab and communications lab. We have a completely digitalized library. The volume and number of books are displayed on the digital board. We also have a reprographic section in the library itself for the students and staff's use. The books and references are kept according to sections and it is marked. Books are divided and kept on different racks so that students and staffs can easily access it from the digital information available. We also have an Innovation and Entrepreneurship Development Center where innovative ideas of students are encouraged and supported. This is a view of one of the classrooms. Civil Engineering Workshop, the ATM that was mentioned earlier. And we are moving on to the first floor of the campus. Faculty rooms. The name board of faculty available is displayed right outside the faculty room in every floor. Training and Placement Officers office. Another faculty room. We have Programming Lab 1 and Programming Lab 2, which is to be used by the CSE department students. This is another lecture hall. Now, as you can see, it is well equipped with the screen and a projector. All the 3 floors are connected with lift facility. Another faculty room. National Service Scheme office. We have 2 seminar halls. This is the Seminar Hall 1, which is fully air conditioned and is also equipped with a digital board. This is the view of the seminar hall that we are talking about. This is the Seminar Hall 2. It is now also being used as a drawing room. Analog and Digital Lab. This is the Physics Lab. Design and Analysis Lab. In Design and Analysis Lab also we have a digital board. This is also a fully air conditioned lab. Now we have our Metrology and Instrumentation Lab. This is to be used by mechanical engineering students. Now we have our drawing hall here. Now we are moving on to the sports room. Here we have table tennis court, also caroms. Now we are moving on to the second floor. In every floor, a water dispenser is kept. Another faculty room. On the second floor faculty rooms also we have the number of faculties and the names and designation is being displayed. Now we are moving on to the physical education department. All the equipments related to physical education is kept in the sports room. This is a balcony view from the second floor of the college. A classroom in second floor. Now we are moving on to the rooftop of the building where we have the weather system and an RO plant. Now we are moving on to the workshops. Mechanical workshop, it is divided into 2, workshop 1 and workshop 2. It is 200 meters away from the main block. This is These are all the equipments that is available in the workshops. This is the hydraulic machinery section. Thermal lab. It's a far-fetched view of the workshop. This is the foundry section. This is the mechanical engineering lab block 2. This is another lab. This is also well equipped. Machine tools lab. The list of equipments available in the tools lab is also displayed. Machine tools lab section 2. CNC section. Now we are moving on to the civil engineering lab block. This is also situated 200 meters away from the main block. This is the geotechnical engineering lab. Here we can see the lab in charge is mentioned. Transportation engineering lab. Electrical workshops are conducted here. Survey lab. Material testing lab 2. Material testing lab 1. We also have 2 material testing labs. This is the storeroom where all the equipments are stored. This is the new building that is being constructed. This particular building we only need after 2 years. In our existing main block, we already have 10 classrooms for the diploma departments. These are the college buses. This is our power substation situated 100 meters away from the main campus. It is there to ensure that the college is equipped with 24 hours power supply. All the power transformers are being kept here. This is another substation available in the campus itself. Now we are moving on to our college ground where students come to play football, cricket, and it is also used for athletics. We also have 2 basketball courts. This is one of the basketball courts that is being mentioned. This is the cricket pitch. And this is the second basketball court available on campus. This is our gym on campus. We also have personal trainers and physiotherapists, which helps the staff and students to navigate it. Now we are moving towards the ladies hostel and gents hostel. This is the front view of the gents hostel. This is the reception area. This is the hostel warden's room, and the hostel is under CCTV surveillance 24/7. This is is a walk-in room. We also have a hostel mess. It's common for both the boys and girls. Women's hostel. This is the reception area of the women's hostel and the warden room. This is a sample of another room. This is a bird's eye view of the campus. Thank you.